Alright, today take a look at the adjustable laptop stand. That is a very nice rose color. So I do like it's mostly installed. So it looks like we got 3 screws we got to install. They gave us 4. It's always like having extras just in case I lose one. And we got the Allen to install it. Okay, so that went together pretty easily. All the holes lined up very well, and one of the things that I do like about it was that the bolts are using pan head screws, and because the holes were also tapered, that means that this will actually sit flush on the surface. So you're not going to worry about that scratching up your desk. So that's nice. So you got nice rubber feet on the bottom. We got a collar in the middle, so you can just loosen that up, and then we can adjust the height to however we want it, and then just twist it to lock it back down. And then that is the surface. So we do have rubber padding all around to protect the laptop. You don't have to worry about any metal on your laptop. And we can set our laptop on it. Yeah, that is holding it no problem. So that is good. We can hold pretty much any size laptop. We also have a slight angle that we can put on this thing. So, we can make that work. That's very nice. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice little stand.